Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Check iOS is current and WhatsApp is logged in. First, open Settings and tap Cellular or Mobile Data. Once there, scroll to the list of apps under Cellular Data Usage. This shows which apps can use mobile data. Tap the toggle next to WhatsApp to disable mobile data if you want Wi-Fi only. Make sure airplane mode is off, otherwise toggles behave differently. This step cuts cellular access while leaving Wi-Fi intact, which is exactly what you want. Once you've turned off WhatsApp mobile data, refine behavior so it stays offline on cellular. Go back to Settings General Background App Refresh and disable it for WhatsApp. That prevents background cellular pulls. Next, return to Cellular Settings and turn off Wi-Fi Assist so weak Wi-Fi won't trigger cellular fallback. Finally, confirm WhatsApp is allowed on Wi-Fi by checking its permissions. This ensures messages sync only when on Wi-Fi and prevents accidental cellular use. Finish by restarting your iPhone so all network permissions refresh. Once done, test, disable Wi-Fi and try sending a WhatsApp message. If cellular is blocked, the message won't send. Make sure you see cellular icon but no WhatsApp data usage under Settings Cellular. If WhatsApp still uses data, toggle its cellular switch off and on, reboot again, and install any iOS updates. That resolves most permission glitches. If it persists, reinstall WhatsApp after backing up chats to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.